Good evening, everyone. Welcome you all to our Bagcampus Top 10 2021 digital marketing sessions we are conducting. Today is 8th of August, and we are going to start with paid advertisement, search engine marketing, and Google Ads in Bagcampus Power Camp 2021. Let's get started with today's session and let's know what we are going to learn today. Okay, so in our previous sessions only we have learned about SEO, what is affiliate marketing, what is email marketing, and we have learned more things about digital marketing. But we have not gone through what is social media marketing and SEM, that is search engine marketing yet. So let's explore it. Let's learn what is search engine marketing. So we will start with today's agenda first. So here up with today's agenda. Today we are going to learn about search engine marketing. We will start with what is search engine marketing. Then at the second point, we will be taking a tour to SEM targeting. So SEM targeting basically tell us to how we target a specific keyword, how we target a specific region of people. We will be describing more it in a further session. Okay, so at the third agenda of our today's session is to create a Google ad campaign, right? We already told you that we are going to start the session, and we will be going to create a search ad, video ad, and Google ads, right? That will be our third agenda. About our fourth agenda, we will be morely looking to keyword planning. Yeah, we have already seen this, but we will be taking a short revision on keyword planning. Then we will go through what are the steps involved in search engine marketing, and at the last we are going to discuss more about how as a publisher we can add Google ads. Okay, so let's move on and come to know about the basics of search engine marketing. So in our introductory session only, we come to know about definition of search engine marketing, that it is a way of marketing by paying. Okay, by paying search engines, we can just post advertisements at the top of search result of Google to get more engagement, to get more traffic to our website, right? So that is only the search engine marketing, right? So if we are going to discuss more on this, we have learned about search engine optimization and we are now learning search engine marketing. So what's the basic difference between search engine marketing and search engine optimization? Let me show you some result up here, and you will come to know about it. So here up on your screen, you can see a Google search result. So at the first arrow, you can just see that I have made a Google search. Just me take a highlighter. Okay, I have just made a Google search which is saying courses in digital marketing. I received the first result and it is an advertisement. So if you can see the first, the second, the third, the fourth, right? First, either to second, third, and fourth. These all are just advertisements. While this result, learn with Google digital marketing, this is a SEO based first result, right? So you can check out that search engine marketing, and this is SEO, means search engine optimization. Hope you understand with this. So let's move to know and revise what is the definition of search engine marketing. So search engine marketing is a digital marketing strategies or method for promoting the product with the help of paid advertisement on search engine like Google or Bing. It is also called as PPC, means pay per click. Okay, so let's move to know about various advertisement ways by which we are going to learn today. So it is display ads. Then we will learn about search ads, which is just SEM. Then we will go to shopping ads, and then we will move to video ads and mobile ads. Okay, so let's get started with that. So what is SEM targeting? Hope so you understand the previous slide. So now we have to move to SEM targeting, which is one of the important point. So basically, while showing a advertisement, you should be focusing. Okay, so as we learned in a second or third session, that advertisement without data is just driving a car as a blind person, right? So you have to be a specific next that where you have to run your advertisement. So the first thing which you have to be considerable as a location, right? You should in which area or in which zip code you have to run advertisement. That is called as a location targeting. So if you can read on your screen that it sets ads to only show to people who are within that certain zip code or geographic area. Then we have ad scheduling target, means and what duration we have to show the advertisement. For example, if you have something called something like Zomato, then you can know that more people will order dinner, right? Dinner at the evening or night. So you can schedule your ad in the evening or night for dinner, right? So if you are placing a dinner ad in the morning, then it is just going to be waste of time. So you must have this type of thing. Okay. Then we have demographic targeting. So it sets the advertisement to show only to people who fit in certain demographic categories based on age, gender, right? So you can, if you have something based on children, then I think so you can target any age group. But if you are basically focusing on very old age, so you should be able to face that age, and this is possible in digital marketing by using demographic targeting, right? Then we have device targeting. If you have a iOS app which is not supportable in Android and Windows, then if you are placing ad on Windows and in Windows and Android, then it is going to be no use, right? So you have to set ad only to specific device, right? Then it is also easy to put. So before we move to Google Ads and Keyword Planner, let's make a step to search engine marketing. So here are some steps involved in search engine marketing. So the first one I put is to define the effective strategy, right? So if you can read on your screen that you have to define your target audience, as we just seen in a targeting, that we have to basically focus on what type of audience we want, right? So you should be specific about that audience before we are doing that advertisement, right? Then we have to identify the need and motivation of behind that advertisement, right? Because if you are not able to find the motivation behind that ad, then it is going to be a null result. Then we have to highlight how your product is best to serve their needs. Then also we can ask for reviews for business position in the marketplace. And also you have to identify your competitors, identify your specific goals such as benchmark, such as search engine ranking, sales, website traffic, and other return on investment metrics, right? Let's move to second point, second step, that is choosing a right keyword, right? Choosing a right keyword we have already learned in our previous session. Then we have to select the important phrases relevant to our business. Also select the phrases that are frequently searched by your target customers. Conduct a brainstorm session for potential terms. Then we can interact with sales and customer services, right? So this is going to be a right keyword choosing. Then the third one is to optimize the website content. So this is just going to be a SEO tactics where we are going. This is just one of SEO tactic that we have to focus on website structure. We have to pay attention to meta description. Hope we are done with the SEO properly. Then the fourth one is submitting your website for indexing, right? To visible online customers. So we should be available on various search engines such as Google, Yahoo, and Bing. So for that, we have to submit our website, and how we have to submit the website. You can check out our previous section to know more about that. For a speedy process of getting indexed at other search engines, submit your website to specific website which help in indexing all search engines. So you can just Google out the websites which can help to index it in all search engines, right? So there are some common crawlers also, search crawler. So you can also find out that. Then the fifth step that is most important in SEM is to manage a paid search advertisement. So bid on the most relevant keyword. Do not pick them based on only popularity, right? So we will also come to know, we have already known about keyword research, but we have not gone in a very depth. So we will also go through that also. Let's tie them pending a strategy to build a result. In many cases, the lower ad position will produce a higher return on investment. Make sure your product offer is interesting to potential customer. So this was our agenda of today's session, in which are going to learn about how to run ads on Google. We will also know about a brief on YouTube ads, Google ads, and what are Google ads beginners offer, right? Let's explore how to place ads and how to add Google ads as a publisher. So I want to show you this thing from very basic. So I have just I'm just creating a new Google account even. So let's get started with that. So I will click on create a new account, and I am clicking to manage my business. Okay, for now. Then I'm adding my first name. So okay, so I will just try to add this things only. I'm removing this. Okay, so in place of that, I'm using my current email address of Bagcampus Marketing, which is support.marketing at the rate backcampus.in, right? Then I am creating a small password, and I'm clicking on next. So I have received a specific code which will help me to verify my account. So I will add that code fast. Later, this is asking for a phone number, but I will add a specific month, death, and a year, which I prefer. Okay, so this is the incorporation date of Backcampus only. The year is okay. I will try 2020. Okay, I will click on next. Oh, oh. So it is saying like that. So I'll just, as I just was saying, 20. I should keep it 2002, right? So I will try with again the same thing up here. I will create a password. Sorry for wasting your time up here. So I will add the password here again. Sorry for wasting your time here. Okay. So you don't mind it because you come to know that you have to not add a raw means you should not add, at least you should be 18 years to go with Google Ads. Okay, so I will go with the December 05. That's the incorporation date of Bagcampus. But I will just go with the year 2002. Okay, so I will click on next. Again, then you have to confirm with the privacy policy of Google. So I will click on I agree. Sorry, Google, for that, but 2002 is a date of birth of mine, and 5 December is the incorporation date of Backcampus. So they are asking that you should go with the Google account for business, but I am saying not now. Okay, so here up with that, I have started with this. So what I am going to do is I'm just going to search for Google Ads. Yes, okay. So I just typed the query and I'm going. So I have made some mistake in spelling. So I will click on the first link. So this helps you to give you a various, as you can read this Google Digital Garage. This helps you to learn a lot of new stuff from here. So you can visit this website. You can also get certificate from this, and we hope so that you will get certified from Google. And don't forget to add your certificate to LinkedIn by tagging Backcampus and Google also. Okay, whenever you will complete that. So we wish great luck to you for that. So this is simply the website of Google Ads. So I will try to get start. Click here. I have clicked over it. So I would like to show you up here with how it works and other details. So here up, you can click on a new ad campaign. It will help you to redirect to get started with a new ad campaign. Before moving to that, let me show you what is Google's beginners offer, in which they are giving currently a cashback worth rupees 2000. Okay, cashback worth rupees 2000 in ad credit. Would you like to see that first? Okay, before we are creating a advertisement up there, we are going to start with what is that? Okay, so for that, let me share up my screen. Sorry for that. So on your screen, I have just gone for a spatial search and just move on to my.google.com/Google Ads, and I'm come there. So what I have to do is I have to add a email address. So I added an email address. I click on I want to vote. Problem with captcha, so I have to just refresh the page. Let us click on get offer code. So as soon as I did this, I received a coupon by email. Then I can just click on get started here also. But I already have clicked on this to move further. Okay, so let's go to that screen. So here on your screen, if you will click on get started, you will come to know about this screen. So here up you have to tell you what do you want to promote, right? So whether you have to promote your website or whether you have to promote your business profile, you have to express it here. So I would recommend you to create your own website and promote it here. But if you are not one who want to create your website but want to promote your business, they can just click on promote your business and go through that. Currently, I want to click on your website and I will click next. Wherever you are clicking on any option, you're going to get with this second question same. Okay. So let's click on next. Then it will ask about the business name. So I'm adding simply Bagcampus and just a tip here. So just it will ask us about business name and that's all. So I'll click on next. So it is asking about our website. If it is basically if it is the business profile, then it will not ask this question. So I will just go with backcampus.in. So I'll just copy the URL from here. So here, so this will give us a simple thing. So I'll click on next. Hope so we are able to complete this in next 13 minutes, right? Because it is 7:28 now. Now it's time to write your ad, but there's nothing here. So it is giving me something which is not related to my website, but at the one I'm getting job slash internship. Here I have to add, yep, headline 3. So, and to pick this. If you don't want to pick this, you can also add anything up here, right? Then description, right? And the second point, okay, that's great. Show call button. I don't want show call button. Okay, and it's done. It will preview me some internships related job scholarship. Now, this is not a good practice that I have adding internship and adding Untitled scholarship again. So what I will do is finding career with Bagcampus. Okay, find career with Bagcampus. Okay, so here I have done with. So I will click on next. So here we have to add some basic keywords which match our website. So I will mainly focus on internship. So, but ship. Yeah, I clicked on internship and I click on next. So here it will ask about SEM targeting, which we already learned, right? So here it will ask you to advertisement in a specific zip code, cities or region. So if I want to show the results only in India, if I want to show results only in Pune, so I can just type up Pune and it will show ads only in Pune. Also, it should look up here that we are going to show in Pune only. Also, I want to show it in Pimpri Chinchwad, so I can also say that Pimpri Chinchwad. Also, I want to show this in Bangalore. So here it shows me two dots. Okay. Also, I want to show in Hyderabad. Gurugram, Noida. Okay, also I want to show in Kolkata. Sorry, that's my accent. Also, I want to show in Jaipur. That's fine. Fine cities. Okay. So one more. Okay. Like to add one more. Lucknow. All set. Okay. I will click on next. I missed one Chennai. Okay. But still, this is just for 10. At this stage, we are going to set a daily budget. Okay. So here you can see that this is showing some budget theory up here that it will cost nearly 883 rupees to estimate nearly 50 to 160 ads per click. Okay, then it will recommended that 100 132 daily average, which will give me nearly 70 to 210 clicks per day. So I pick the okay the recommended one. Okay, I just clicked for just to show you, but you can also enter up your own budget to manage it. Okay, so I'm clicking on this, and here it will ask you to how many days you have to run this ad. So here default it is showing 21 days, but I want to show it till 4th of December, so I can also do that. So what I will do is in this format only I will try to go December 04/2021. So it is showing that for duration. So they don't want me to show more than 90 days. Okay, so I will try to make it somehow small. So I want to show it till October 4. Okay, it is fine. Then I'm clicking next. So it's showing something like this, that I have to review it properly. There is no worry to make it up here, and I'm clicking next. So this is all set with that. What I have to do is I can apply my promotional code by entering it here. So I will move fastly to check about my promotional code. So I will copy paste it. No worry whether you want to take a screenshot, you can take. This is not going to help you at anyhow. Okay, because you I already told you you can also redeem that. So I just entered and here. So what this beginners offers is, so if you will spend whatever money you are spending for first 31 days, it will be refunded again after the 31 days. Maximum is 2000 rupees, right? For example, I run ad worth rupees 1400, then 1400 will be redeemed to me after 31 days. Okay, so this is really a good offer for beginners. Then what I have is a account type of organization. So I clicked at organization name. I want to add with Bagcampus. You can also go with individual. So for now, I already told you about that you can click on net banking. You just have to add some details and it will allow you to go through that without adding any credit card and debit card. You can also access Google Ads. Okay, so I'm adding my details about location. So Kurdi railway station. I will just keep this part, okay, and make it blur. A specific amount, you can also add any amount. Currently I am adding 500. Okay, I click on I agree and I will click on submit. If it will redirect me to net banking, I will just cancel that. It will go back and maybe it will serve about Google ad. Okay, so let's see what happens. In our previous video we saw that when I just added that, it didn't show me anything, but here it is showing complete this transaction. So let's show this. Okay, so I will click on this and up here it's done. So let's see what. So as you can see that congrats, you're all done. Preview your campaign usually within an hour. So I will just click on explore your campaign. So you are understanding these points. We were expecting to finish up this, but it took a great time to set up account only. So let me give you a simple tour to this website. Okay, so here it is: setting, refresh button, help button, notification button. As you can just see that if you will click to this, we will go back to total, seeing our all campaigns, right? Then we can see that our ads are whether it is active or pending. Then we can see the performance of our advertisement. whatever mentions clicks. Okay, then we can also see for search terms, what are the ad text, image, and landing pages, what are the locations, what is the budget and duration, right? We can see that all things. Let's click on this. Now we will move to some keyword planners that we have learned yesterday only. Now you can also check out how to click. We have just learned about how we started with that. Now we'll learn how to place ads, means how we can place ads on our website to get traffic, right? So let's go to Google to monetize website with Google. Let's see. So here up I see a made by Google Ads. So what doing is Google ad for publisher. So I will just click on that. So if you are able to see on the screen, we have AdSense, then we have double click, then we have AdMob, and we have some success stories. So let's move with our AdSense account. So click on sign up to AdSense. Enter a URL of your website. For example, I want to monetize Bagcampus.in, which we have never done or never want to done. Okay. I have monetized my previous websites. Then we can add up with the email address, and I will click on. So this will ask me for country. So I want to add it as India. Click on create account. Hope it goes. So here you can see it will ask for payment address. I'm not going to. Okay, it has already been saved up here. So I click on overview. So we can grow our earnings with auto ads. and there's a lot of stuff here, so I'm clicking for get start for now. Firstly, you have to go to sites, you have to click on add site, you have to add a URL of website. For example, I'm adding backcampus.in. Click on save and continue. Now what you have to do is you have to connect it by copy pasting this web page link to the website. So you have to just copy this and paste to source code of your website. So I will try to do that. Okay, so please wait. I'm sorry for the delay, but please wait. So I have made the changes. So let's ask for do that. Okay, so in the let me okay.